Hi all, welcome to Python assignment session 4. Let me start a assignment. Enter the three number and print the greater number out of it. Input will be 10, 30 and 50. Our expected output should be 50. Let us move on to how we can come up with a solution for this problem. Here the user input is 30, 10 and 50. We are going to solve this problem into three cases: case 1 and case 2 and case 3. First, what we need to do is, first we need to compare the first number with second number and third number. If this case is going to true, then we are not going for case 2 and case 3. If it is false, then we are going to case 3. Here second number 10 is there. 10 is greater than 30? No. So, and check the second number again, greater than third number. If it is true, any case, then here our program will success. Otherwise, we are going to the case 3. That is, the third number will be greater number. There we'll get the desired output. Now move on to the program I wrote. I will explain each and every line. First, what I wrote is enter the three numbers. Here we need to take the three numbers from the user. That number should be integers. First, take the in the num1 take the first number, in the num2 take the second number, and in num3 take the third integer number. After taking the numbers from the users, just I came to the if condition. In if condition, I am checking num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. If it is success, then I am assigning this num1 to this variable. This variable I am printing in the print statement at the end of the program. Okay, if it is false, any case if it is false, then it will move to the elif. In the elif, what I am doing is I am checking the num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3. If it is evaluated to true, then I will get the desired output as a greater number is num2. That I am assigning to the greater. So that I am printing it at the end. Okay. If it is both if, elif statements are false, then only we are going for the else statement. That is num3 is the our greater number. See here, I am assigning this num3 is equal to greater. At the end, I am printing this. Let me execute this program and I will show you how this is going to work out actually. Okay. 10. Okay, let me execute program. Okay, so enter the three numbers. Just take the 30 as the first number and 10 as the second number and 50 as the third number. The out of these three number, 50 is the greater number. We should get the 50 as the output. See, the greater number is 50. We can check for the other numbers also. For example, enter the 100 and 200 and 300. Out of this, 300 is the greater number. I should get the 300. See, the greater number is the 300. Just I will go for the another inputs also. Okay, enter the first. See here, 4. For example, 4. enter 1. I will enter 2. Greater number will be the 4. Yes, I have got the desired output here. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel for more Python assignment videos.